I'm a regular user of all kinds of media and multimedia, but mostly like that old generation representative. I use all the newspaper, all the magazine, and all the new media now, including the internet, including everything. Well,
Basically, everything that I can find in the internet.
I use the internet mostly, but sometimes I read paper.
Televiziju, internet, radio.
I use television, internet, and magazines.
I don't watch TV, I don't read newspapers, but mainly I go on the internet, surf sites there.
I sometimes watch television, of course the internet. Sometimes I read also magazines.
speaking of social media, it's regular like Facebook. Facebook is my favorite. And speaking of other social media network, let me see. But I'm not a great lover to write about myself and to just publish myself, yeah. It's like self-revealing, yeah, and maybe I'm a little bit old-fashioned. Old, this style, old school, conservative, this way.
Okay.
Facebook and Draugi.lv.
TVNet Delfi.
I use Facebook, Instagram, Apollo, TVNet.
I use Twitter, Facebook, Tumblr, Draugi.lv.
Facebook, Twitter, sometimes Instagram, maybe. The local news portals, of course, and so on, basically.
From internet. Internet is a part of my work. Of course, lots of great videos for teachers from YouTube. Right now I'm doing something from the British Council, materials, everything, including the books, including the lesson plans and videos prepared, ready-made for the teacher. Yeah, and now I could download, I could use, I could just do something myself at so-called webinars. Yeah. Well, and of course it's a part of my teacher's work, as you see.
Fun facts, something interesting about the world.
It's a lot of information. I really like it. It's good for school and it's good for the mind.
And negative?
I think it's addictive. So you can get into a trance.
Probably it's the most positive information because everything that I know and everything that I find out I get from the internet, like news and stuff like that, and what our friends do.
And negative things?
I don't think there's negative thing about the internet because well, maybe it takes very much time when you sit at the computer. Time goes by very fast.
Mostly I can and I could survive, as I said, because books, just writing a letter, sending a postcard is okay, and using just a normal phone, not a mobile phone, yeah. But mostly I prefer the more comfortable life with social media as well.
If I'm doing something very important, then at least a month, I think.
I don't think I could do much time because I'm really addicted.
Varbūt mēnesi aptuveni.
Maybe 1 week, I don't know. It will be difficult.
If I would need, I could endure quite time, but only if I need to.
Couple of weeks, maybe.
According to interview, we can say the most popular and widely used social media network is Facebook, less popular Twitter and Instagram. Many young Latvians use Draugi.lv website. Adult people opinion differ from the young people's opinion because they do not like to publish much about themselves. and write a lot about their life. That's why adults do not use websites like Twitter and Instagram. Adults and teenagers both read newspapers and magazines.
Social media have pluses and minuses. It is very comfortable when we can find any kind of information for school and for ourselves. In the internet we can read news, download different books too. Speaking about minuses, internet takes much time and has much harmful information and news. Some people became addicted to the internet and spend all day surfing internet.
Nowadays, media affect almost everyone. We can't work and study without it. I say our teacher, it's more comfortable and easier to write emails than to send real postcards or letters. Maybe that is the main reason why people can't endure life without media more than some days. For some people, a couple of days without media or internet is impossible.